Hi guys, in this video I will be doing a mousse comparison. So I'll be comparing this Alikay Naturals mousse to this mousse from Mielle Organics. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Now I flat twisted the front of my hair off camera, and now we are going to focus on styling the back. I do plan on doing a twist out, so this video is perfect just for that. So I will be starting off with the Alikay Naturals mousse, and you would have seen me use this on my channel before. If you haven't, I will put the thumbnail on the screen and I will put the links in the description box down below. But I am starting off, like I said, with the Alikay Naturals mousse, and I'm going to be using one pump for now because I want to have medium-sized twists and I really don't want that much product in my hair because mousse can get sticky. So these twists that I have in the front hair are not that small, but they're also not the most medium-sized either. They're just in the middle. So I am just going to rake the mousse through, and this section is feeling like 2 twists. So these twists around here will blend in perfectly with the ones that are up here. And as you're seeing here, I'm just twisting this section. Then I'm going to move on to the others, and I'll be back when this side of my hair is completed. Alright guys, so the first side is completed and I'll show you what the twists look like. I looked in the mirror before I came back on camera and I must say that my twists look very shiny. So I am really optimistic about these results, but I am going to move on to this section, and it's pretty much the same thing as the other side, where I will just put one pump of mousse on medium-sized sections, twist up my hair, wait till my hair sets, and then that will be pretty much it until it is time to unravel my hair to see which mousse is better in my opinion. Since this section is slightly smaller, I will still do the 2 twists because I do find that as days go by, my twists get fluffier. So I am not too worried about doing them too small or too big. Well, too small because they will get slightly bigger over time, not to the point where it is that noticeable, but I just know that they aren't as small. So this is the mousse that I'll be using now, and the little that I have left should be able to cover this section here. So this is one pump, and just going to use it on every single twist. Then I will be back when this side is also completed. Alright guys, so I am finished with the Mielle organic side, so I'm going to show you now. And honestly, my hands are sticky with this mousse, so I am kind of expecting a harder hold over here, but let's see what happens when I come back to unravel my hair in about 2 to 3 days. So I will see you then. I waited ever so long to get back to unraveling my hair. I would have done my hair about 4 days ago, so I know that my hair is fully set, and now it is time to unravel. There isn't too much frizz except for at the front with the flat twist, but that's to be quite expected. And this is the side with the Alikay Naturals mousse. So I will unravel these two here, then I will come back when my hair is unraveled on this side. So here we go. As you would know, or if you are new, I don't unravel with oil because products that I use, my leave-in conditioner, etc., already having oil, so I don't need to put any more oil on my hair. Plus, me not putting oil in my hair on my actual hair strands allows my styles to last longer. So this is the first twist out, and this is pretty soft. My hair is pretty soft, so I will unravel the other one. So just like how I twisted it in this direction, I'm just doing it in the opposite direction just to keep the shape. And this is what this is looking like. The twist out is pretty soft over here, so I will be back when this side is unraveled. All right guys, so here is the Alikay Naturals side. My hair is pretty soft. I do like the feeling, but that's all I will say until I give my review. I will move on to the Mielle organic side. Basically the same thing that I did over here, unraveling with no oil and unraveling in the opposite direction. And I'll be back when this side is also completed. Alright, so the Mielle organic side is done and I will show you now. So let's get on into the review. I usually do my styler reviews based on their hold, their definition, and their moisture, but not in that order. So I will start off with the moisture. So in the moisture department, I must say that both sides do feel hydrated. They really do, but the softness that I can feel is a little more on the Alikay Naturals side. The Mielle Organics side does have some moisture as well as softness. Both do, but the softness, I can feel it more on this side of my hair. So with that being said, in the moisture department, since both sides are still moisturized, I will put in the pinned comment for the duration of this style how the moisture is throughout the days. But so far the moisture for the Mielle Organics gets an 8, and the moisture for the Alikay natural side gets a 9. Mind you, both sides, all of my hair has a leave-in conditioner, so that will make a difference if you just use a mousse versus you using a mousse and a leave-in conditioner. That will make a difference. So moving on to the definition, both sides are really pretty, and I'd have to give Mielle Organics a 9 out of 10 for the definition, because the hold that the mousse has is definitely giving it better definition in my opinion. And the Alikay Naturals is not that far behind. It gets an 8 because definition is pretty good over here. In my roots, the Alikay Naturals side is a little frizzy, whereas the Mielle Organics side has little to no frizz at my roots, so I can appreciate the Mielle Organics side for that. But I will still give the Alikay Natural side an 8. Then last but not least, the hold. Like I said, the definition that the mousse gave, the Mielle Organics mousse gave, I would have to give the hold a 9 for now. I will also update you in the pinned comments, so definitely check that out because I will put it there. By the time this video is edited, my hair should be washed, so I'd be able to give an update. So like I said, a 9 for the hold, because as I was unraveling the twists, I did feel firmer twists than this side. Both did feel soft, but you could just feel the hold that the Mielle Organics mousse had. You could just feel that hold. So I would have to give the hold a 9 for the Mielle Organics, and for the Alikay Naturals, since my roots are a little bit frizzy, I would have to give the hold a 7.5, because if my roots are frizzy now, I am not really expecting the curls to have that much definition as the days go by. So I'd have to give this a 7.5. The hold is decent, so that is why I give it a 7.5. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. These are two great mousses. If you want softer curls with less hold, definitely give the Alikay Naturals mousse a try. And if you want soft curls with a little more hold, definitely give the Mielle Organic side a try. But both are great in my opinion. And like I said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far and you liked it, definitely leave a like. And if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying either mousse or wants a better mousse but has no idea which one to choose for their hair. Hopefully this video will help them. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.